In this video, we will discuss how to write a final group project report in the applied mathematics discipline. So, first, what is the objective of a final group project report? Well, the main objective is for you to learn several things: the application of subject-specific methodologies, data analysis, report writing, and finally, how to manage a project group. Secondly, what is the report based on? What information are you given to base the report on? There are two possible scenarios. One is that you are given a topic or a set of data. The other is that you, the project group, are required to select an appropriate topic yourselves. Let's consider this scenario first. It means that you must select one specific topic that has appropriate issues and then search for information that is relevant to the topic and the issue. You need to collect the information and filter it so that you have all the necessary and relevant information. In both cases, you need to use your subject knowledge to decide the techniques required to analyze the data. You need to account for the methods chosen for data analysis. These are likely to be topic-specific methods suitable for the specific topic and data that you have. Now let's look at the organization of a report, the sections that should be included, and what each section should contain. Sometimes your instructor will give you specific guidelines on what to include, but sometimes you need to decide this yourselves. The possible sections are title page, abstract, introduction, methodology, data analysis, findings and results, discussion, conclusion, and at the end, the references and any appendices. Now let's take a look at the content of these sections one by one. 1. The title page. In this, you include basic information like the topic, your course, department, group members' names, instructor's name, and date of submission. 2. The abstract. This is optional but very helpful to the reader. In the abstract, you should give a 1 to 2 paragraph summary of the contents of the report. This should include the aims of the study, the methods adopted, the analysis, the key findings and results, and finally, the main points of discussion and implications of the study. 3. The introduction. You should assume that your readers will be outsiders to your topic, so you need to introduce them to the topic. To introduce your topic, you need to define it and mention some current trends or previous studies related to it. Then state the aims and focus of your project. 4. The methodology section. In this section, describe the sources of your data and the details of data collection. Most importantly, describe the analytical methods you adopted and explain why they are suitable, why you decided to use these methods. Describe each step of the analysis. Make sure it is clear but not too long. The 5th section is the data analysis, key findings, and results section. Make sure you present your analysis, key findings, and results logically and sensibly using graphs or tables if possible. The reporting of the key findings can be organized in different ways, but must be carefully organized. The different organizations are A. Data group by data group, B. Analytical method by analytical method, C. Key finding by key finding. The most important or significant item should be stated first, followed by the second most significant, etc. Some kind of graphics should be used to show your results and help you present the key findings clearly. This means graphs, charts, tables, etc. They should have captions or descriptions and should be referred to in the text. A close connection between the graphics and the elaboration in the text helps readers understand your points. 6. The discussion section. This is your chance to show your critical thinking and understanding of subject knowledge by identifying and discussing the factors, trends, or effects that your results show. Give possible explanations of the findings, why things happened, and inferences, what these findings mean or imply, and the implications, what future effects there may be. Normally, you will not be 100% certain of these, so you need to hedge. This means use tentative language, like possibly, may, or might. The learning materials and guides have more examples of tentative language. 7. The conclusion. In the conclusion, give a summary of your key findings and results. Then state the limitations of your study. This means why you cannot be certain of some findings and how the study may be improved. Finally, state what kind of future studies on the same topic may be useful. You should also evaluate what you have learned through the study and the achievements you have made. That ends the text of the report, but a list of references should be given next. Every in-text reference should be included in the list, and no references not included in the text should be added here. Applied mathematics assignments should use APA-style references. Appendices come last. These are extra to the main text and can include any detailed figures or tables that are not necessary for your descriptions and analysis, but allow the reader to see the data if they wish. This avoids disturbing the reader's flow of reading of the main text. Appendices are not always necessary. Finally, remember to check the assignment guidelines to know the length, the required sections, and any formatting specifications for font size, heading style, line spacing, etc. The overall length of these reports can vary. Normally, they should be about 1,500 to 2,000 words and 10 to 20 pages long.